Good evening, everyone. Warm greetings to all participants of Skillveda's online short-term course series. We are delighted to have you on board. At Skillveda, our mission is to empower individuals through accessible, high-quality learning experiences, be it a short-term course, webinar, or hands-on training. As your partner in skill development, we offer a diverse range of learning opportunities, including webinars, offline workshops, and training programs, all designed to help you achieve your career aspirations. Let's dive into the certification course on AI integration in classroom. We will explore how AI can transform teaching, make learning super engaging, and help educators rock their classrooms. Joining us is the accomplished Miss Porselvi, a renowned trainer, consultant, and CBSE resource person with over 20 years of experience in education, who will share her expertise. Welcome, Miss Porselvi.
Thank you, G. Yes, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes,
Good
yes,
evening,
you are.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good evening to all, and special good evening to Twinkle G for giving me this opportunity. So it's our second day program for this short-term course. Yesterday, we all connected and hope you all had a good exploration of some of the AI tools, right, which connected with how we can integrate it in classroom. So you all learned about how to create a lesson plan, how to create worksheets, question bank, and some form of quiz, and how you can use the YouTube script. And from that, you can do the video comprehension questions, all such things we discussed yesterday. Yes? Is there any participant? Have you tried? Yes? Did you had a try yesterday? Okay, fine. Hopefully, you will be doing in school for sure, because tomorrow is Monday, the lesson plan submission day. So very easily you all will do it. I'm sure about it. Let's have a quick recap of what we have done yesterday. So first we had a Mentimeter poll survey session where 5 questions were asked based on your previous knowledge in AI, how far you have introduced artificial intelligence in education. So that was the first activity which we have done it. And for personalized learning using AI, I introduced 2 tools. One is Duolingo, where learning of Hindi. So how to learn Hindi. So if you know some of the basic terms, then how you can proceed with Hindi, or right as a beginner also you can start with. So there were certain options in Duolingo that we have seen. Then Khan Academy. So in Khan Academy, as a teacher, you can enroll, or as a parent or student also you can enroll and get all competency based worksheets, the concepts, activities, everything is available, all teacher resources that we have seen. And this Khan Academy app is also known as like Khan Migo. So other than that, some of the teaching assistance tools like Duolingo we have seen, IBM Watson Tutor, this is a tutor, IBM Watson, it's also an AI tutor, and third space learning. So if you want to suggest your students any AI tools for self-paced learning, you can suggest all these, because what we suggest also matters a lot. Then for efficient lesson planning, we worked on with magicschool.ai. So in this magicschool.ai, you have enough and enough plenty of resources we worked on, like rubric generator. Yes, we have seen it. Lesson plan generator, video question. So from the YouTube script, we collected the transcript of the YouTube video, and from there we generated some questions. And we can also generate lab activity generator. Hopefully, for science activities, science lab activities, you can choose the same tool and you can go for suggest a good science lab activity for photosynthesis, or for any other topic you can take and get a good activity planner. Okay. And apart from that, we worked on with ChatGPT, and the similar way you have to work with Gemini and MS Copilot also. So almost like these are all generative pre-trained transformers, which gives us like based on the prompt what we submit, you will be getting the output. Yes, and you can also attach files. We have seen even that yesterday. So in ChatGPT. So similar way only you need to work with the other two Gemini and Copilot. Yes, and Notebook LM, I have taken you to that site, and we actually did some flashcards, then quiz, and I showed you one more mind map also that we can download and we can take print out and we can give it to students also as a worksheet. So this, all these Notebook LM has lot of other facilities and it is free of cost. You don't want to pay anything because it is a Google's product, and also no unlimited downloadable activities. Okay, so no need to worry. And you can also create the content creation is possible. Video podcast and audio podcast is also possible in Notebook LM. If you want to create like a podcast, the video content for your like instant presentation for any topic which you submit, you can very well go with Notebook LM. So then I just told you like extension which you can add in Chrome, brisk teaching. So how are you going to add? Just like going to Play Store and downloading an app, you can just go to Chrome Store. I think I'm right now sharing my screen. Okay, Chrome Store. Just go to Chrome Store, extension or Chrome Store. Here, open Web Chrome Store. In that, lot of extensions are there. C collection is given. You can just type one of the collection as brisk. Okay. Okay, brisk. So now this is brisk teaching AI assistant. So since already I have added as an extension, it is showing remove from Chrome. If it is not there with me, it will show add to Chrome. So you have to click add to Chrome. Once if you click add, the file exe file setup file will be downloaded in your system. And every time when you open this browser, okay, as then you will get this icon. Click this icon and you can see brisk teaching. Yes, whenever I click brisk teaching, I can see a small icon floating on my screen. So that is what brisk teaching is about. So when I go with my presentation, I can see that. A small brisk. So I'll show you like when I work with the other same symbol, this icon, we might get here and there. It flashes in our presentation, or when we work with some other websites or YouTube videos when we watch, like we might get this brisk teaching icon. If you click on that brisk teaching icon, further you can create a lesson out of it. Okay, questions out of it like quiz or flashcards. So all these are possible with this brisk teaching also. Hope you are clear like how to download from Chrome Store. Can I get the response? Can I get the response, please? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, now we'll move on to next. Notebook LM already we have seen. So I'm just retouching everything like what all we have done. Quizzes. Today we are going to see the quiz generator quizzes, which with which we'll start from how to conduct live classroom quizzes and even in online classroom, like how to conduct the quiz. So that we are going to start with today's session because I'm going to integrate it with subject. So AI quiz makers. So before that, let me give you the agenda for day 2. Mostly it will be relating with all other subjects. I want all the teachers to give your inputs. Like when I'm prompting to the system, okay, to generate, to create a PPT on so and so, I just wanted the help from you. You can give your topic. please just maybe the recent topic which you are taking in class also you can just list out to me. Anyone, please voluntarily speak out and then you just give me the topic what we are going to create. Okay, now we are going to create a quiz. So
phone
please
करके
start.
जाता
Kindly put yourself in mute. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So now let's move on to the day two agenda, integration with all the subjects. And before that, like very first, we are going to make the quiz. So first, already these two tools, Notebook and Magic School AI has got over. We are moving to quizzes. Just type quizzes AI. This is a web browser only. Just you can type quizzes. Okay. Actually, quizzes is taken by the company called Wayground, right? That's why it will show like quizzes is now Wayground. Just click quizzes and it will ask you to sign up. After that, just a second, please. Okay, so here you got the home screen of Wayground, which is quizzes. My library will have all your collections already, whatever is created. Already I have created some of the quiz, so which is given here. This is library or my collections. Normally it will be. If you just go to home, you can see the create tab. Right from scratch, we can create the questions. We can create the quiz based on the questions which we have. Already, if you have a worksheet with you, okay, if that is a file saved as PDF or Word document, what you can do, you can just upload that file. Based on that file also, those questions will be taken and a proper quiz with the background format and with animation, it creates and it gives to you to conduct the quiz game in the classroom. So that you can do it. One is create. Another one is you can choose lot of quiz which is already available. So many thousands and thousands of quizzes are available here. That also you can choose it. Now I'll just give you, before going for create, I'll just show you search for any topic. Yes, can I get a topic from you? Maybe English teachers, can you give me the topic? Or science or social science teachers also, please volunteer yourself.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah, from math, can I give one
Yes,
topic?
Brindu.
Real
Yes,
numbers.
Brindu, ma'am. Real numbers?
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it's for higher class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Grade 10.
10th standard.
And
Okay.
yeah, mention the class also, Binduji.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
grade 10.
Real numbers. Grade 10. So if I just click real numbers, automatically you will see plenty of activities, quiz activities already people would have created. So this is, and it is showing 10th grade here. And I think few schools, they might even teach real numbers in earlier a little bit. So it's mentioned as 9th grade. It may be of some other IGCSE syllabus also. We might not know. So in general, like this is real numbers, 10th grade, 10 questions. And here also, like you have another set of quiz questions. Further, you can see here, there are 6 slides with 14 questions. It's given. Okay, classification of real numbers is given as 6 slides with 12 questions. Introducing the concepts also, it is done. So if we just play, okay, I'll just
You people can
start
also do
now.
side by side on your laptop or on
Yes,
your
please
mobile.
do hands-on exploration.
Yeah.
Only then. Side by side, if you do any doubts, if you get, like I can clarify then and there. Yes. So here, like import is there. Now this quiz, are you going to give it to students? You can import, Google Classroom, right? Or Microsoft Teams. Through Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams, you can just give it to your students and students will start playing now. This is the way it can be imported to classroom. Otherwise, if you want to conduct a live quiz, you can just give start and you will get the, yes, join my quiz. Can you see on the side? Join my quiz, enter the code. So you have to type in your screen or mobile joinmyquiz.com. Please type this address in the address bar, joinmyquiz.com, and then enter the code 242955. Have you done? Is it done?
Binduji, have you done this thing? Have you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, fine.
because I
Okay.
have to. Yeah, okay. Amit Bajaj, sir, you have joined here as a participant. So several people, like those who are participants here, please click on this, type this joinmyquiz.com and then enter this code. If more participants are there, finally we can see the winners with the score on the leaderboard. We are going to play this game, quiz game. Since the topic is taken for 10th standard. Yes, ma'am, any doubt?
Ma'am, code number please.
Sorry, ma'am, I
You
can't.
are not audible, Kamini ji. Please. Can you write in the chat box if possible?
Ma'am, please, code number.
Code 242955. Is it done, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So Bindu ma'am has also joined. 4 participants so far. Rajeshwari ma'am, Soumya, Bindu, and Amit Bajaj sir. Okay. So 4 participants we have. I think furthermore, like you can join, others also can try to join. I'll just start the quiz now. Before starting the quiz, if the teacher, as a teacher, if you want to introduce the classification, like how the real numbers, what are all the other numbers which you have in real numbers, like here the concept map is also there. You can see, right? So this can be shown to students and ask them to have a look at. After that, the quiz game can be started. Now, this is the first slide. Okay, I'll just move on because the first. Yeah, I've reduced the sound little. Which of these numbers are in the real number family? Based on the previous slide, it should be answered. I think people started answering also. 2 people have answered.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll move on to the next question. So immediately, if you want, like view responses can also be done. We can see here how they have given responses. So it's taking time for getting all your answers because some are actually doing it now, so it is taking time. Yes. So for this one question, 3 has answered only whole number, 1 has answered natural, 2 answered rational, and 1 answered international integers. Okay. So it's given which are all the correct answer. That we will see it later. Next. Now, natural numbers. So the numbers which we use for counting is known as natural number. It starts from 1. Based on this, now the next quiz is going to happen. If you have multiple correct answers, please click all multiple correct answers. Only then. Because actually 3 answers were correct. 2 answers were correct in this, 1 and 100. This is not a natural number. This is not a natural number. So based on that, like you have to go for next. So some students are still answering. Do you want to move to the next slide? It is asking me. Okay. So if I need to wait, then I have to cancel this. Yes, 2 people are answering, Mr. Deepak and Kalindi Ramaya. Okay. I think now I'll just move to next slide. whole numbers. So whole number starts with 0. So whole numbers includes all natural numbers also. Along with that, additionally 0 is also included. So likewise, like you can explain to the student, and immediately one quiz question also flashes on the screen and make them engaged in this activity. Yes, 7 have joined, 6 have answered, 1 is still doing. Okay, here actually we have 3 answers. 3 answers are correct for this. Except -2, all the 3 are whole numbers only. Right? Next. So then comes integers. So likewise, one by one, introduction of all the numbers, and finally the real number. So that's how this concept, I'll just skip on, move on to the questions alone. I'll just move to the next slide. You can see what are rational numbers, right? Again, everywhere the mind map is also given clearly so that the children will be able to understand and differentiate between different sets of numbers. Yes, and if nobody answers, automatically it goes. I think people are answering. Okay. Which of these numbers are rational? Okay, 5 have answered and 2 more they are still answering. Okay, 6 have answered, only 1. Mr. Deepak is answering still. Fine. If I just give end question in between, okay, you cannot answer further. That's all. So we can even restart the question again. So there is a tab for it. We can also do it. Now, if I just want to end the quiz or end presentation, you can just end this presentation. Do you want to end this lesson? Just give end. Now you can see the class performance. This is what very important. Class performance, can you see how it is? Like a line chart, like you could see the chart here. Or I'm just showing the names with names or without names. You can see the participants' performance report, individual performance report, class performance, and the average class accuracy is also there. Out of like how many questions we answered, what is the class average, right? And because we didn't complete the full presentation, no. So still many questions are left. That's why it is less percentage out of 16 questions. It's just 7%. Now 7 participants, if you want, we can show the names, right? Okay, Bajaj sir has answered for these many questions correct. Like individually, Bindu ma'am has answered 3 correct and 1 unattempted and 1 wrong. Like you can see all these, okay, which is correct and which is wrong, individual performance. And on the whole, you can even view the report in a detailed form in this way. You can see here. Okay, for each and every questions, you can scroll it. These questions and all we have not answered at all. So first, the questions which were played in front of you. So only these questions, and you could see the point-wise rating out of 12. The score out of 12, it's mentioned here. Yes. Okay, so this we can actually analyze like based on, see here, accuracy, based on point, based on score, based on submission time. So all these we can see. As I told you yesterday, the rubrics, what we are setting as rubrics, in that submission time can also be included. Like you can see how some students are very fast in answering, how it is happening. Like you can check with that. And here, so based on participants wise, like you can see the report, okay, how each and every participant the accuracy and how much points they scored. Next, question-wise report if you want. As a teacher, sometimes we need to know which questions and all the students are answering correctly, which student, like which question is uh, very difficult for the student. Okay, so in that case, we need to reteach that particular topic alone, not the entire lesson. So question-wise analysis should be done from our side, like we can do it in this way. How many answered? Here only one answer for natural number, one answer for irrational. Okay, so what is the problem? Where they went wrong? Yes, you can find it out and then you can reteach the concept of that particular topic. Now, if you want to email this report to all parents, you can do it. Share report is not possible, but email to all the parents, just click email and here you can type the mail address. All the players are there, right? For Amit Bajaj sir, maybe the parent mail address. Okay. I think Amit Bajaj sir, can you tell me your mail ID so that I will send you mail immediately and you check whether you received or not.
Yeah, it's Amit Bajaj, CRPF. Amit
Okay.
Bajaj,
I'll type, sir. Just check the spelling, okay? Amit Bajaj,
CRPF
CRPF.
@gmail.com.
Okay, fine. Yes, Bindu ma'am, would you like to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Bindu.suyam, BINDHU
Yes.
dot
Hmm.
Suyam, SUYAM
Okay.
@ gmail.com.
Okay, fine. So now, yes, there are so many other participants also. If I start typing everyone's mail ID, it will take time. Okay, so pardon me, just for 2 members, those who are in the first, I've just taken as per alphabetical order, nothing else. And I'm going to just send this report. Some emails are invalid. Something wrong, ma'am. Please check. Emails are invalid. It's mentioned. Ahmed Bajaj sir, is your ID
To
correct?
uncheck, I think you have to uncheck the other names. On the left hand side, you have to uncheck.
Okay, I can understand.
Yeah.
Yes, sorry. Yes. Sure. It is all unfilled. No? Yes, done that. Thank you, Ji. Yes, now I'm just sending. Email sent successfully. Ji, please check your mail ID, Bindu ma'am and Amit sir. Please check your mail whether you received.
Yes, ma'am, I have received.
You received it. Okay. The
Yeah.
same thing what we are viewing here, you can see there also. That's all. Nothing else. So this is for parents. Even during holidays, you can give such activity and you can give the report to parents so that it is easy for teachers also, no, for formative assessments. Very easily they can collect the score. Rubric is also there already, so it's quite easier. This is about quizzes. Now we played the inbuilt quiz, which is already created, which was there already, pre-built one. Now let us create on our own. So now I'm expecting any volunteer to tell me a topic. What are we going to do? I'm just going to create a presentation only. Yes, if it is assessment or presentation, anything could be done. This is for creating a new lesson. Okay, let me go with assessment. Okay, if I have a set of questions with me already from the device, I can just upload it and it will create a quiz and give it to us. Or else if you want to type or start from scratch, you can do it. Or you can also create a prompt or text. Yes. Can you just give me the prompt? Already right now, 2nd grade is mentioned. So tell me like which grade, which subject, who is going to volunteer to tell me the topic? Quickly. All others. Can I expect the other people like Deepak sir or Rajeshwari ma'am? Like, can you tell me some topic, please? Yes, I'm waiting.
Multiplications, ma'am.
Multiplications you wanted. Okay, very good, ma'am. So create
Ma'am,
a
kindergarten
quiz.
also.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Is it possible to do kindergarten also?
Yes, it's possible. Anything. What do you want? You tell me.
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten topic I needed.
Yes.
Create a quiz for, come on, kindergarten. How many questions you need, and then what is the topic in kindergarten? Shall we give parts of the body?
Parts of the plant.
Parts
10
of the
questions
plant.
needed.
Okay. On the topic, parts of the plant. With 10 questions. Okay, is that enough, ma'am? Any other specific instructions you wanted to introduce here? We can give in the prompt. If you want to give any specific instruction, you can give. So I'm just changing to kindergarten, right? Next, grade level is there. Depth of knowledge, like level 1, okay, let it be. Or if you want to uncheck, like you can uncheck it. Number of questions, automatically it will generate how many questions is possible if you give automatic. Then 10 questions, if you want to be like specifically 10 exactly, then you can click this. And output language is English only. Just click next and wait for. Yeah. And if you want to define your prompt, like identification of plant parts or functions, naming the plant with its functions or matching or all these, like anyone you want to include any of these?
Describe the plant growth.
Okay, describe plant growth. That's all. Or you want to include like matching parts with images? Shall we give?
Yes. Yes, that
Yes.
also.
Okay, that will be good. Yes. Identification of plant parts also, I think we can include it. Create results. Okay. Did you get your quiz questions? Ready? No? Yes. Which is the part of the plant that grows under the ground? So root. All these are there. And here
That,
if you just
I have a doubt in this. So the children can able to read that questions.
they cannot read these. Like it is
Instead,
quite like okay for higher classes, maybe for first standard or
yes.
second standard. Yeah.
If
The
it is a
teacher has to read
picture-based
out.
form,
No,
they
this
can
is
read.
worksheet based, ma'am. I'll tell you. Wait.
Okay.
This is like worksheet based. Now, if you, that's why assessment I gave. No, I clicked assessment and I brought this. Okay. So in case, if you want to add some more questions, like you can add from library also. Few other questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm also
ma'am.
from kindergarten, from
Ah.
PP2.
Hmm.
Actually, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
These questions are fine, but along with the pictures, is that possible, ma'am?
Yes, it's possible. Actually, it will come. Because what we have done, go to exploring.
If pictures are visible, they can understand easily.
1 second, ma'am. At beginning, no,
Okay, ma'am.
like I clicked on assessment and then I started. That's why we are getting like a worksheet base. And here images are not attached in this. We can edit and we can insert the image also. Click here to modify the question, for example. You will be getting in this way, ma'am, actually. If you want to insert any image, click this add image. Each and every question manually, we can also edit, right? Upload an image. Any image which you have, I'll just upload from my device. Some other image, right now, what I have, I'm just taking it. Okay, it maybe looks like a leaf and flower. I'll take this. And then I'll save. Got it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way, you can add the image and conduct the quiz.
Okay.
See, when I just like publish, no, it will be created like a presentation, quiz presentation. Since I gave it as assessment, it is showing like a worksheet. Hope you are clear. Now you modified the question, no? So now if you see, like, okay, let's save question. Click save question. You've modified it. And which question we did? Yes, can you see the image here?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this way, we can do all types. And suppose if you want to create some other question, and here you can choose, ma'am. Match the following is of premium. We can't use it. That's why we didn't get. Okay, can you see this?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
we have to pay. Whereas word cloud is done. Fill in the blank is there. Multiple choice and multiple options is there. Yes, and video-based questions also there. You can give YouTube link and then questions will be framed. Passage-based questions is available. So you can go on with that.
Ma'am, children,
Drawing-based also is available. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, excuse me, children can't read the questions, no, ma'am. Is there any audio facility? So, kindergarten children.
Actually,
read the
interactive
questions.
video, YouTube video, you can play separately, ma'am. After playing from that video itself, using the transcript, it will bring some questions, like it adds some questions in your presentation. That is one way. So first you have to show that video separately. Is that clear? Here it won't read out. That facility we don't have. And moreover, ma'am, see, all these facilities which we are using right now, no, it is all free of cost. Okay, so whichever is highlighted with a symbol, so that only when we go for premium version, we can get it. So now if you publish, then it will be saved.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this is how to create. I will show you like one noun-based quiz I created. I will show that also. So here, when you start now, like you will get the same way. Previously, how we played the quiz, in the same way we will be getting. Yes, and you can download it as a worksheet also if required, or you can, based like in this, you can generate flashcards. Flashcards will have questions on one side and show answers, see answer, then it will flip and show the answer on the other side. So that's the way. And I'll just go to my library. Already what I created for nouns, I'll just show you. Yes. 5 questions only I have. I'll just play this quiz. You see, student-based and teacher-led, both are there. You can give it as student-based so that they can take it up as a homework also at home. If it is teacher-led, it should be done in class. So select the mode. So which mode? Test mode or team mode? Okay, any mode. I'm just taking classic mode. Assigned to a class as already like we discussed, no, Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. How many attempts also you can choose here? So only single attempt, or if they want to try out like multiple times to get all the answers correct, like you can give attempts. Then timer, question timer you can set like after 30 seconds exactly. Okay, allow answering after the time ends, lock answering, like all these. So timer should also be. I can make it like lock answering after the time ends. Then here, so many other anonymized student names, because we don't want, like if we want to see the original names, it's fine. But some children, they don't want to reveal their names. In that case, if it is going to be a quiz conducted in webinar session with someone else, anonymous names is used like that. Skip questions and attempt later. Yes, that option, if you want, we can check it. So check and uncheck it, like whatever you wanted. So all these, any cheating, if it is done, if they disable right click or copy paste, anything, if it is done by the student. So in premium version, we can get it highlighted. So they will be noted with a flag. So all these shuffle questions possibility is there. Leaderboard you can show. So all these are few more settings which we can add it. Yes. Yes. Are you ready to join this quiz? Only 5 questions, I think so. Quickly, because I'll show the leaderboard like how it is. Are you ready? You can also scan this QR code. Yes. Kalanidhi ma'am. Oh, sorry, Kalindi. Someone as GOR, Amit sir. Okay. Okay, 3 participants. 4, Deepak sir, Bindu ma'am. Others? Others? Okay, 5 participants are there. Let me start. We start the quiz. Which is not a bubble. You can see the questions actually. I can see the leaderboard simultaneously because I am a teacher, right? So, can your monitoring see? I think Soumya ma'am has answered all the questions. I completed. So I'll show you the questions also, which is not a bubble, and which are all proper nouns. Multiple selections may also be there. Doctor, is it a common noun or a proper noun? Or is it a common noun or a proper noun? New York, is it a common noun or proper noun? Just 5 questions. For kindergarten, you can create like simple type, these type of questions now, and you can insert images. Okay? Instead of question, you can add image. Okay, fine. Still Kind of, I'll end the presentation. Okay, congratulations, Bindu ma'am. You're in the leaderboard, you are the topper one. And Amit sir stands on the second, Soumya ji stands third. Very good, great participation. Good, good. Thank you all for participating in this quiz. Okay, so now you can exit from this. That's all as usual, the report and other thing, everything is same as previous quiz. Hope you all enjoyed this quizzes. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes,
And for
ma'am.
kindergarten teachers, like furthermore, if you want like more questions based on images and all, you can collect the images and question in a file and save it. Then you can create a quiz like this to make it as an activity in the classroom. That also you can do it. In your worksheet, already you might have collected like so many worksheets you might have prepared, no? In your previous years for kindergarten, already you might have that. You can take it as save it as a PDF, upload it here, and you can create. That can also be done with images. Then it automatically gets attached and you can do it. Yes, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, Bindu ma'am, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. If I want to show this, only the questions I will ask, either in the beginning of the class or the closure of the class, if I want to check the students' understanding. So I don't want to share with the students. So if I want to show it in the board, how I will copy the link and access it, ma'am?
Ma'am, there is a, see, the questions are there, ma'am. Like you can show it as a worksheet also, only questions with 4 options, like a normal objective type of questions in
Yes.
paper form. In paper form, you can download and you can take a
Okay.
printout. That could be done.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I use the flashcard you have shown
Yes,
in
yes,
the
you can.
smart board?
Yes, you can use
So
it.
should I log into that my ID?
Yes, ma'am. Like
Ah,
always,
so
no, it
in
will ask
school,
for login. If
in school, I want to use it in the smart board. So
you
I
can,
should log in.
your school, okay, in your school, smart board is available, ma'am?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. There, do they support like internet facilities available?
Yes, yes, yes,
Then
it
you
is
can
there.
very well do it. All these web browsers, everything is there, no? Then you can very well
Yes.
do it, because some of the schools will provide only the whiteboard support, and like Tata Classes or some software like which they owned, only that will work. Okay,
Okay.
so they will not give any internet facility, and it will not support for us to explore to any other tabs. So that
Okay.
restriction might be there in few schools.
Mhm.
Yes, but
Okay.
if internet facility is there, you can very well do. You can log into
Okay.
your own ID and you can do it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.
Any other doubts for anyone in this quizzes? Yes? Okay, fine. I think we can move on with that. I'll close it. Okay. So quiz makers we have completed. So the next one are AI tools for creating PPTs. So already we have done with some of the PPT in like even it is similar to presentation only what we did in quizzes, but it is a quiz presentation. In Notebook LM also we can create PPTs. I told you it's a content material, we can do it. And ChatGPT or Gemini, if you want a slide outline, just the slide outline to create PPT, it will give you. So I want to create a PPT on photosynthesis. Okay, so give me these slide outlines. Then it will give you, you copy paste everything in the normal PPT, how you manually make it. So that could be done. It's one way. Okay, next thing is Gamma. So Gamma is a AI PPT maker. Even Canva is there for designed presentation. Tome.app. In Tome, unlimited presentations can be created. Visme presentation also somewhat looks like this Prezi. So what I have used is Prezi.ai, but Prezi.ai is limited with the credits. I have gained some credits. So monthly once, if I create one presentation, it's well and good. It's fine. If my credits are gone, that's all. Like I cannot take up any presentation. I cannot do any presentations newly. Already whatever is there, I can edit, modify, and rework on it and present online. And it is not downloadable. I cannot download. That's why I'm using online and I'm presenting it. This is one way. Okay. So Gamma, you can like create slides with layout, everything. I'll just open Gamma presentation. More than Gamma, we have QueryPod also. I'll quickly go to these two. Gamma AI PPT. Everywhere it will ask you to sign up and then log in. Log in. Continue with Google. Go to continue with Google. It will be easy. That one ID, as I stated yesterday, please use the separate ID for all these browsing. Okay. Fine. I tried to do one presentation. So this actually there. If you want to create something new. Okay, now let me move on to some social science teachers. Generate, paste in text, create from template, import file or URL. Already file is there also, based on that it will create. If you have a lesson plan or if you have ebook content, just import that file, upload it. After that, you can create the presentation. That could also be. Yes. So now how many slides you need? Cards is nothing but slides. Up to 10 cards is free. More than that, it is not free. You can see here. Premium version. You have to pay and get it. So up to 10 cards, it's free. Then what type of presentation? Again, studio. Studio means like how I'm using in Prezi, it's like a studio presentation. So here with editable text, images, layout blocks, you can get it. This will also be attractive slide only. Classic. Then default, by default, like what is the size? Okay, how the slides what is the ratio of the like length and breadth, no? So that is the layout. Then default language is English, yes. Then yes, I need the prompt to create a PPT. Who is going to volunteer? The next. Create a PPT. Yes. I think to satisfy kindergarten teachers, shall I go with them? At least here, shall we get some presentations?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell me, no? Some other topic in kindergarten.
Somebody
ma'am.
wrote then NEP 2020 in kindergarten mathematics in chat box.
NEP 2020 kindergarten mathematics.
Somebody wrote it in the chat box.
Okay. No, I just wanted a specific topic. Okay, if they are not saying, like, I'll go with simple parts of the body or singular, plural.
Shapes
We
or
can-
patterns is fine, ma'am,
Shapes
from
are
Max, I
patterns.
think.
Yes, very good. Okay, shapes are patterns. Shapes and patterns. Is it going to be for senior KG?
Yes, ma'am. Senior KG.
Generate outline. It will show all the outline, ma'am. Now you can modify, you can customize here what all you need. Shapes and patterns, adventure. So initially it's like a home slide, followed by meet our shapes. Look around. What shapes do you see? Here, if you want to add on your own point, just click, press enter, and add some more points like what you wanted. Is that clear? Maybe I'll just add 2D and 3D shapes. Just one point from my side. I'm adding 2D and 3D shapes because you're going to show some objects. Yes, and making them to understand which is 2D, 3D something. I have added, maybe for kindergarten it may be difficult, but just to show you how to add, I'm taking it. Then circle, square, triangle. And after that, after shapes, like they have gone to pattern, some of the patterns, own patterns, like what to be made. Let's make our own patterns, creative shape part. Okay, all these are there. Add card, we can't do it. Then we have to go for pro version only. Only 10 cards are possible. Yes, next. So how it has to be, it can be concise, minimal, like whatever the theme if you want, like you can take any theme. Yes, can go with this. AI images, you can take it. Image source. Suppose if any images are there, it will be taken as AI images and not from anywhere else, so that no copyright violation happens. Then, okay, theme style, extra keywords. Okay, right now, any other? I'll give colorful. Generate. Now you will get the presentation. Hope all are with me. Are you all doing side by side? Yes. Okay. More number of images are also attached in almost all the slides. See, not even 5 minutes we have taken to create this presentation. That's all. Done. So we can move on and now start presenting. I'll present the slides which are created here. First, shapes pattern. Look carefully. Okay, watch the pattern. From this pattern, children should identify which is a circle, square. So circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. So you can also see like a circle and then square, circle and then square. So some patterns somewhere else you have to follow, or you can simultaneously use the board and draw and show. What's next? what shape will come to the next? After the square will come, right? You can teach them. The next slide. Maybe 1 second. Yes, fine. Okay, so it has not started from the beginning. Yes. So shapes and patterns, then meet our shapes. So there are some shapes on the board, okay, with the image. So which is a circle, definition, then square, triangle, all the shapes are introduced, then patterns. Here only what comes, choose the color. Based on color, some patterns are there. Based on shapes, patterns are there. Yes, creative shape art, activity. And okay, after activity, you are congratulating the students. You're giving some appreciation comments. This is about the presentation. Okay. So likewise, for any class, we can do it. Yes, this is about gamma presentation. The same way, with me, you can choose a very well good template. I'll just close this gamma. Is there any doubt in gamma? Yes, participants, kindly please respond. Only then I'll come to know. Am I audible? I'm getting a doubt
Yes,
very
ma'am.
often.
Yes.
Yes, thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes. So is there any doubt or shall we move on to the next tool?
Any questions, any query till now?
So after completing every one tool, like I'm just asking you, are you with me? Because you have to follow with me like for another 1 hour with new tools.
If
We have
anyone
few
has
more
any question,
tools.
please
Yes,
go
ma'am. It is
ahead.
clear now.
It's clear, thank you. Okay. Yes, I'll close this gamma presentation. Now let's move on to the other one, Canva. I think nowadays mostly people started using it for digital poster making, infographics, creating some diagram, and even for presentation. But see, Canva, the tech people can very easily handle this, whereas AI generator is also there in Canva, but only in pro version we can get the usage of all the features, upgraded features. So not in the minimalistic level. So we cannot work on very easily with that unless and until we go for the pro version. Okay. Then Tome, as I said, like it is unlimited, only free of cost, you can do it. Similar to Gamma, you will get it. Visme and Canva and all, it's all like a hi-fi model, we can say. Appealing presentations, quite studio-based. Already we are seeing also such kind of presentations, you will get it. Yes, but you will have some limitations over there. Next comes creating images. Yes, we have come to an interesting part. How to create image presentation, how to create AI image. Okay, we are sometimes we may be bored with finding out the images, searching images from Google, all those collections, because many others also will use the same image. If you want a unique image, which is something new, it will be existing only in your textbook or in your material and not anywhere else. Like AI can create a new image for you, unique image only for you. So that is also possible. Let's go on with first ChatGPT images, and then I'll come to things collection, Flow AI, GenCube. So many are there. I'm combining like images and next one is video. Okay, both together, I'll show you together. Okay, first, let me go to ChatGPT. How many have already created images in ChatGPT? Anyone? Can I get a quick
Yes, ma'am.
reply
We
from
have
you?
created.
You have created? Okay, very good. So this is my ChatGPT screen. So we have to go to this tab like images. Try a style is all there. Okay, just leave it. What I'm going to do, I wanted to bring an imaginary thought. I wanted, okay, celebrities are attending my classroom. I can make it. Or I want like all insects and birds. Insects and birds flying together. I wanted to bring an imaginary AI image. Flying together in a parachute. So I can just create something different, right? Yes, let me. Wow, nice. So you can just right click, save image, copy image, add it in there. That's all. Any doubt? Sometimes you may get multiple images also. Same like this, if you want, like give me multiple suggestions or more images, just prompt it and you will be getting some more images also. Right? You want to add any cartoon character in that? Yes, add it. So children likes all these, no? When they happen to see their own favorite cartoon character along with the some images which you show. See, from this image, you can ask them to weave a story. A story weaver is also there with us. So you can also weave a story based on one single image or 2 to 3 images connected together. So that can also be done. Any doubt in ChatGPT images?
Is there any moving images also be available?
From that we can create as GIF separately. I'm okay here. I'm no, ma'am. We are not introducing all those moving images. I'll tell you. Flow AI is there. I'll show you that. It will be like a 8-second cinematic video, just for 8 seconds. More than that, it goes for pro version. We have to get it under pro. That's all. Yes.
Thank you.
This is more than enough, like in ChatGPT images. That's what, if you suggest it to give you more images, like you have to prompt it again. That's all. And right click, just copy or save image. Finish. So I'll just close the ChatGPT image. That's all. Now I'll move on to this Gen 2. Now you see, ma'am, that moving images, a kind of that you will feel Gen 2. The #1 AI image maker, Gen 2 AI. Just go to this Gen 2 AI image and videos available. Yeah. So now what are we going to make? Are you going to create an image or you are going to upload any image and then modify that image? All these can be done. Or you want to build a visual story, everything is possible. Visual story also, I'll tell you how it is. Just looking. Sign up for limited time. Sign in is required. Okay. So let's type the create. Create an image where I just wanted to build like a story. So, cute queen or princess and the prince are hunting a fish with a sword. Can you see how did you get the image? Can you see here? Like it says a cute princess idea. Prince is not there. If you just give create more, you will get more images. Yeah, this is another image. And just click pick. So whichever you want, you can just everywhere. Like it is saved actually. So if I close here, no, you can see. Yes, all these images are saved. Could you see at the bottom? Whichever images are generated, the first image, and then this one is the second image. So whichever images you need, like if you don't want anything, like this first image, if I don't want, just click it, you can delete it. Now I have 1, 2, 3 images. So this image, if you want to save, you can just click save images. I'm just clicking save image as. I will create a folder, pictures, AI images. This one is queen or princess. Yes, one image is saved. The second image, it's not. Now the second image is also saved. Okay, two images. Now further, like this one is not accessible. Yeah, we got it. That. The third one. Yes, with these three images, let me show you how to create a PPT. Just open a PowerPoint presentation. You can click in the search bar, like PowerPoint. Open this. Okay. Blank presentation. Insert, just go to photo album. Right. Now you are going to create a photo album. What are all the files you wanted insert picture from? What are all the files you wanted to add? To go to the respective, A images is the folder. Just open this. 1, 2, 3. All these three pictures I wanted to insert. Just insert 3 pictures. Then check box. Okay, check all these 3 images. Then create. You are creating an album. If you want all pictures to be in black and white also, you can do it. Can also be done. Yes, now create. Yes, I created a photo album completely in black and white. If you want it colorful, yes, you can further add, insert one more time. At the bottom of this slide itself, you can add it. Now what you do, you have inserted, just make a slideshow from beginning and see. Photo album, here and all you can edit, created by your own name, all these you can do. Look at here. So it's like a kind of creating a story. Like this, you can generate many images in this GenTube, collect all those images. All together, you can run the slideshow, or using Video Maker, you can upload this PPT and make it as a video. That can also be done. Or while saying the story, I think these slides will be very good, very well fit for like while continuing the story. Yes, according to your own imagination, or when the children are imagining on their own, also collect the story and create some images on spot, and you can show it collectively as a story, you can make it. English teachers can use this as a tool for creating an activity, like a story weaver can do it. Is that clear? Any doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, please.
can we add a text or or audio in this
Yes,
images
ma'am,
or
you can.
presentation? How can we add?
Yes, this is that is normal PPT only, ma'am. Say how to add text, I'll tell you. It's normal PPT work.
Okay.
Text box will be there. Insert. Go to insert. Text box. Okay, just click on the text box and start typing. Okay, King. So whatever you want. Okay, I'm not typing completely. Yes, like King is trying to hunt the fish. Something you just give us a flash message. And if you want to input any audio, same way insert. Then you have audio here. Can you see? Just click audio on my PC or record your voice and just save it as MP3. If you are saying a story, that can also be done. Otherwise, audio on your PC, just take some audio. I have one MP3. That was a song created by AI only. Maybe I'll use that. Okay. Right now. Yes, this is the only. Yes, now I have done it right. What I'll do. This is a song created by AI. Actually, I gave the lyrics, Tamil lyrics, and the song was created.
நூலகம் நம்பன் அறிவின் விண்மீனி புத்தகங்கள் பெசுத்து மனத்தில் ஒளிருத்து.
You can see the difference in pronunciation because it's Tamil lyrics. Same way, I'll show you with English lyrics, maybe in another few minutes. So this is about inserting a video. Now go to home and then like you can go to slideshow from beginning. Now, yes, you can see the symbol here and then play. Is that clear, ma'am? So now the text is also
Yes,
visible, as
okay.
well as audio is also there. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll move on with. Is there any doubt in GenTube? Is there any doubt how to get it in GenTube? How to get the AI images in GenTube and how to make it as a photo album? So sometimes, no, instead of creating AI images, we can also go for one site called the Things Collection 3D Collection. double I. Okay, it's not single I, double I. Things 3D collection. Yes, can you see? The things collection AI generated 3D icons. Oh, this is different, sorry. Just a second, I have a link actually posted. I'll take that link. GenCube is like GenCube.app. I will give you this notes with the link so that it will be easy for you to practice. Yes, the things collection. Got it. The things collection. So as soon as you click, you will get lot of 3D icons. So many icons, like all the objects you can find it, almost what we use in our day-to-day life. In WhatsApp also, we will get that emojis, no? Different icons we will have. Same like that. You have some tabs also. You can click on to any particular, if you want to create like a story, the same way what you can do. Yes, click on this, right click, save image. Same way, whichever you wanted, you can just go ahead. I wanted to create like a story with birds and animals. Let's take some few birds and animals. So it was a rainy day. We can take it. Yes, right click. Copy image and paste image is also possible. I'll just open one presentation. Maybe the same PPT I can open and do it. The same photo album I'm opening. For the new presentation. Once again, we have to create it. This is another way. Either you can insert as a photo album and then we can use it, or directly also you can copy paste the image. That's also possible. So from things collection, right click, copy image, go to PPT and then paste the image. So for this, the layout, you can take it as content with image. With your only image, we can paste. You need to adjust. So that's where here the problem is. If you are copying and pasting, like you need to adjust all these. Otherwise, you can save it and insert it as an image. That would be much better. I'm just deleting it. See how I'm saving and right click, save image as. So previously what we did, that would be easier. Save image in pictures, again in AI image. Done. One image already export. Then go and collect some other images like animals. Save image. Yes, we got some 4 images. Fine. Now go to PPT. The same way, like last time we did, no, that's quite easier to insert photo album. And it looks, while presenting also, it gives a good presentation, attractive feature. So file on disk, import file on disk, go to AI images. Okay. Just click all files, you can see. Because if the images are not visible, it is all web pictures, that's why. Just 1, Control, 2, 3, 4, whichever you want. Just insert. Okay, change the format and insert. It's not accepting. Fine. Right click, save image as. Web page file is there. Instead, should be PNG. From here, like we can take the images. That's how. Okay, download image for personal project. Then it is downloaded. Then I'll go. Instead of saving is not possible. Download image you have to do. Yes, you can click this download image. Yes, 2 images downloaded. With the 2 images, now let me create an album. File from this, now it will be available. It will be there in downloads. If you go and see in downloads, already these 2 images are there. It is saved as downloaded as PNG. So JPEG and PNG only it is allowed for photo album. Now I'm just creating. Yes, you can see F5, the same thing. Could you see the difference? Normally, when you use normal images, pasted images, it won't be in this 3D form. Here you can get all 3D images. That's the. Hope you are clear. Any doubt? Yes, all different types of animals you can take like this, and you can build a story on yourself. Any doubts? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
We are
now we
hearing.
have completed the images.
Yes.
Now let's move on to video. Yes, 8-second video we can create from Flow AI. Flow AI video generator. So Flow. Yes. Just give create. Yeah. We'll get like Flow TV because there are many different versions available. So Flow TV. Is it visible? Okay. You just click Flow TV. Here we are going to make videos. So what is your requirement? You just post it. I just wanted all animals and cartoon characters attending a webinar on AI, on artificial intelligence. Let's take it down. Yes, you can just create with Flow. Go to create with Flow, new project. When you get like a ChatGPT prompt area, just click on and then it takes time actually. I'll make it as one screen. So you can make an image or you can make a video, whatever is it, you can mention here. So the video is listen. So click here, you can download. You can download. This is actually an image which is generated. So you can just filter it to videos and then you can generate videos also. That you can download, like what is the image generated. You can generate image as well as the videos. What do you want to create? Again, I will just paste the same. So can you see, so since they're attending a webinar, you could see all animals are there, cartoon characters. Can you find any cartoon characters here? Yes. This is one cartoon character. Robot is also there. How precisely they have brought in all the characters and AI for everyone. The webinar title is AI for everyone. 71%. Yeah, I got it. Yes, can you see? The video is ready. This is another video. Whichever video you want, you can take it. So since for an alternative suggestion only, like 2 is given. Yes, so this is another video, just play. This video is quite good. So you can click download. So you can very well download it. Go for lesser pixel so that original size or lesser pixel. Don't go for upscaled one because it is a pro version. Yes, it is downloaded. Now if you see MP4.
And that is how the backpropagation algorithm optimizes the neural network. We can now open the floor for questions.
Yes, 8-second video, exactly. Got it? Any doubt? So likewise, you can give any prompt and create much more videos. That's possible.
Ma'am, can you just tell me for just for 8-second video, how can we use it? Means what is the purpose to use?
Create furthermore, like if you want to introduce some visuals inside, ma'am, we are not using Pro now. If it is Pro, 30 seconds video you can get.
Okay, ma'am.
That's where. That is the reason I stated, make it as a PPT and introduce some audio in between with images you can show on the slides and the audio can run at the back. That you can do it. Or both together, connected together, you can use video editor and connect both the videos together if it is matching. Because what is the content here, we don't know, right? We play, we know something. Yes. So that's all. This is for making videos. One more in video is also there. In video, mostly related to social science, you can get it. It is all the videos taken from Discovery Channel mostly. So we can go ahead with that. Directly, like as if we are watching Discovery Channel, we can get like 1 minute video, not much more than that. And that too, if you want to download, we need to reduce the resolution completely and then only we can download. If the resolution is more, we can't. So obviously, after downloading, if we want to present that, it is not actually good for presentation. Very dim like the dim video will be played in the presentation. So other than that, we can go ahead for in video also. There is this particular in video, in, yeah, it's there. Concept videos. We can download it by reducing the intensity. Yes, all these I introduced. Notebook LM also we can create some videos, even in Notebook LM. Concept videos are possible. There you will have, I will show you one second. Google's Notebook LM. Here there is no restriction, nothing. Try Notebook LM. You can search and take the videos, or you can create your own notebook. Create audio and video overviews from websites. So any website, or you can upload files, or if you want, I'll just add some sources from my files. CBSE class 5 or plant varieties lesson plan is there. Singular plural quiz is there with me. So I'll just take plant varieties lesson. What are all the different types of plants? That lesson plan is uploaded now. And make a video overview. Yes, video overview. Just click. You wanted brief video or the explainer. So I'll go for this explainer. And how you are going to select a classic presentation or like a whiteboard presentation, whatever is it, please choose anything. I'll go with this. And what should the AI focus upon? Yes, it is actually giving you some tips also. Frame the content. Yes, for exam preparation or present the material as the story. So this is what I wanted. Generate. Here you will get like a video podcast. Same way audio podcast can also be. Here you have like yesterday we learned about like how to create mind maps, flashcards, quiz, infographics, everything. So now we are using video overview option. Normally all video generators takes time. So far, any doubts? Okay, quickly, I'll get a, let me conduct a assessment. I just wanted voluntarily. Can you please tell me, like, what are all the tools used for creating images? Yes, you can either put it in the chat box or you can also answer.
The things, 3D collection,
3D collections, okay.
GenCube AI,
GenCube AI,
Image
exactly.
Maker.
What image maker?
It's to Image Maker, GenCube AI. To create the image
GenCube
that-
AI image maker is fine, ma'am. Okay. Other than that, something. Okay, Amit sir, I think you questioned here. Is video podcast possible? Yes, that's what we are doing it right now, sir.
Ma'am, to my knowledge, it will create a video, but you can't have the podcast or the interactive as the way we do it in the audio overview.
Yes, that the dialogue conversation like that podcast it is not
So
possible. Yes,
podcasting
yes,
actually that audio conversation, so it's
yes.
video, it's not possible.
Video, yes, that is not possible. It's taking such a long time. Okay, let's see whether it is ready or not. I think already in my collection I might have. I'll show that better. My notebooks, classification. Yes, it is there. One is there already. I'll show this. Yes. World of Plant Varieties, a video overview of it. Just listen to it. I can show you in full screen.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into this hidden world that's, believe it or not, all around us. It's in the plants we see every single day. We're going to talk about the secret language of diversity that explains, why no two roses they have these subtle differences, right? But when you zoom out and look at whole groups of plants, well, those differences. And honestly, it's a huge reason our planet is so rich and frankly, that share some really distinct characteristics. We're still talking about the differences aren't just random little quirks. A variety has these defining features that are at their size and what we use them for. I mean, the amount of diversity in our food is just
maybe
staggering.
we can use this for presentation, like whatever the content material is given here in this video overview may be helpful for some knowledge exploration. Whereas the voiceover and all, it has to be modified according to the region which we take. Definitely, because the same accent may not be understood by all the small children. Factually.
Diversity goes way beyond just what's on our plate. For centuries, people have been breeding roses to create thousands of varieties with specific colors.
So I'll just stop with this. This is again another video overview how we can create. But as Sir stated, like a dialogue conversation, similar to audio podcast. Audio podcast is good, but even the same thing, not all the students can understand in all the detail. That's all. Depends on their language and communication skill. That matters a lot. Yes. So with that, like we have completed like how to create videos, how to create quiz, and how to create images, all these completely we have done with, and the PPTs also. Language and literature tools. So we have another 20 minutes. Quickly, I'll show you some of the tools for each and every subject. Already I said Grammarly is used for correction. Apart from that, you can go ahead with Quillbot. Quillbot is another one. Yesterday itself, I showed you one correction, how it is actually done in Magic School AI. You can do the proofreading and all. This one sir also asked question and I typed and corrected the mistake. So similar way only, even in Grammarly and Quillbot also it works. Yes, next is Google Read Along. Google Read Along, it is a very good tool. You can download it offline and you can make the children to practice their reading skills with all the story books like which is created. called as Google Bolo or Google Read Along. So this Grammarly and Quillbot actually checks for plagiarism also. Why I'm not shown this Grammarly and Quillbot, I'll tell you. Because normally when we type in Word itself, automatically it highlights. We get that thesaurus, spell check, grammar check, everything is available. So now there is a story flashed on. A lot of stories are available. You can pick like whichever you need. Yes, maybe 3D Little QC. I'll just take this. And in any language, you can find it out.
Let's read.
Yes.
Greedy little Cussly.
This is a level 2 reading. Yeah. Can you hear? It will ask you permission to allow using the microphone. Okay. Read aloud. So now when I'm reading, yes, it will.
If you need help, tap my photo.
Yes. If you need help, then it will read. Okay. Cussly was a greedy little bay. It was not.
Read this out loud. Boy.
Okay, boy. Yes, because I made mistake. It is making me to correct the sentence. Okay, he always wintered more of his.
Wanted.
Okay, it's correcting. Taking some time. Okay, more of his favorite things.
Well done, you got that.
One day, Chichu's mother invited all the children out for a screen. So it stops actually. It is not moving further because any mistake in pronunciation it finds. So it is underlining and the Dia is helping us. So it's like a chatbot. She is helping us to find out the correct pronunciation. Yes, that's how. So it's a very good tool for English teachers as well as other language teachers. We could find in Hindi also. It's available.
To finish 10 minutes of reading today, read for 9 more minutes.
And the motivation also will be given for
look at all those stars you
by
got.
giving stars. The collection of stars gives you more credits for you to read furthermore. And it is offline downloadable app. You can take it. In mobile also it can be downloaded. And you can initiate your children to start with. And further, like every day as an activity, you ask them to read something and improvise their reading skills. That could be done. This is about Google Translate. Yesterday itself we did it. Now it is data semantris. It is an AI vocabulary skill building tool. Just type data semantris. All are ready to play the game. It's again a game. Data semantris. Just click semantris. And there are two types of games available here. One is arcade and another one is blocks. Play arcade helps you to build your vocabulary. Whereas play blocks, it's for maybe kids or pre-primary students. They can do this. They are really good at handling the mouse and whatever. Okay, now we can go with arcade. Give me the word which is most related to refrigerator. Quickly. I need answers from you, only then I will type. Come on. Refrigerator. Shall I type freezer? For freeze, I'll give freezer. So you will be getting a score. Now, after that, the next word will flash on the screen and we need to give a related word, like a synonyms or any words related to that, you can take it. It should not be like exactly synonym and all. Umbrella means, see, when during rainy season only we use umbrella, no? So just give rain. Yes. Telephone. So we can say wire, call. bird, wings, like that. Can you please tell me the words? I want some interaction from your side, please. Fish. Give me no. Nobody is ready. Are you all there? Am I audible? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yeah,
Yes.
clear.
For guitar, can I get some word, ma'am? Related word, please. Can you please give me the related word? Oh my God. It's a string
with whom?
instrument, string, drums.
Piano,
Drums is-
guitar, the drums.
It is also a musical instrument. Museum. We'll have like all collection of things, old things. Okay, but it is not accepting that. So skeleton will be there in museum. I'll just. Yes, it is accepting. Scissors, cut. So now when the word reaches a wall, game will get over. That's all. Over, game over. So what our score? You can see in the scoreboard. That's it. These are all other high scores, but our score is only 5. I made my children to play. They have got 4,600 and all, almost. They didn't reach 5,000, but to that extent they played so well. Yes. It is applicable for grade 6 and above. Very easily they will enjoy playing all these. Yes, I'll stop with this. This is data semantris. It's a vocabulary builder game. Hope you enjoyed this game.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhuwana ma'am. I need some boost. Actually,
Some motivation.
only
You need some motivation.
seriously, Twinkle ji.
I do understand.
Yeah, if nobody is responding, no, at
AI
least in
subject
chat
is such
box.
an interesting subject,
Yeah. Yes. I think fag end of the week, Sunday also, no?
Yeah, Sunday evening all want some break, but we are not giving them a
Yes.
break actually.
Learning is a great tool, ma'am.
Thank
Learning
you,
is a
ma'am.
great tool. So it's
Thank
really
you.
going
Thank you.
interestingly. So that's what we are just listening.
It's over
Because it's
interesting.
all
People are showing over.
You were indulged in learning and listening.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Fine. So, like similar way, Story Weaver is also there. You can create story, translation is there, read along. There is another app. I think you can, this is all very easy. You can try on your own and make it. I'll just go to, I have some tools for science teachers and
We will be sharing the
for math
PDF
teachers.
notes
Yes,
where
I'll
all
give you.
things will be mentioned in the notes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here, science teachers can use PHET Colorado, so which is a simulation tool. Just have taken the link. Even you, maths teachers can also use this, and geography teachers, they can use it. Interactive simulation tool, PHET. So just which subject you wanted, you can click here. Go for simulations, not for studio teaching, nothing. We go for simulations and click all simulations, since. So you will have like the list of all the subjects and the topics which simulations are available. So mostly it's for higher classes, but for maths, even right from first standard, we can use it. The number concept, all these are available. Fractions, which is greater, lesser, all concepts and all it's available. Let me go for one math application where we can use, okay. Math applications, HTML, I'll close it. 14 results. Still it is in physics. I'll refresh. Or we can even type here, search and get it. Browse, go to browse. Yes, click here. Maybe fractions. Just type fractions. In that fractions itself, we have lot of activities, exploring equivalent fractions, fractions top and bottom, all these. I'll just take exploring fractions. Yes. So grade level, which level, like from elementary school to middle school can use this particular activity. Yeah. Okay. Fractions intro I'll take because this is locked. We need to sign in. I didn't sign in, I think. So this already I worked one time. So it is available in my library. I'll just show you how this simulation works. Yes, introduction. So now this is whole, 0 out of 1. Suppose if I just drag one by one more. Okay, so it is not accepting. Why? Because the whole is one part, only 1 by 1 is possible. We cannot make it like 2 by 1 is not a proper way for setting up the denominator, right? So if I increase the denominator, then automatically it is changed. You can see the shape also. Everything is cut into half. Now, if I just attach, it is like 2 by 2. So if I increase further the denominator, yes, it is 3 by 3. Okay, so in the numerator can be increased, denominator can be increased, whatever. Like if you want, instead of this circle, we are going to do with a cake. Yes, we can use that particular image. Or a number line. Yes, we can do it. Fractions on the number line. Using a cylindrical measuring cup or with the tiles, rectangular tile. Okay, all these we can do it. Maths teachers, hopefully, like this will be a very good activity planner. They can use it. Identify the type of fractions, or if they increase, what happens? One more is increased. Further, they cannot increase, but they can decrease. It's possible. So you can introduce the fraction in this way, right? So how much ever. Hope you're clear. And maximum, like one more if you want also, like you can make it out. This is also possible. So now you increase. One whole is over. After whole, now it comes mixed fraction. 1 by 8. So it is 9 by 8. This concept and all you can teach them. Hope it's clear. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now there is a game.
Yes.
There is a game also here. You can see. Let us play this level 1 game. Yes. First, what I have to fill in, this is 1 by 2, right? So fill just 1 and then 2. Drag it to this box. Got it. Over. So this is the answer. Then we will have 1 by 3. 1 divided by 3. 1 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Then here it is 2 by 3. 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 parts. Just drag it over. So likewise, you can go and play. So this is a lab activity. You can just ask the children to do. Please, there is a tutorial also for each and everything. You will have some descriptive write-up given at the bottom in the previous home page. You can get it. So, or else like once if you play, like you can utilize in the class. Is that clear? PHET. Same way, all science teachers, you can also use it. Lot of science experiments are there. I didn't take up science experiments today because it is all for higher classes mostly. Even myself, like I couldn't understand much better. Frankly speaking, like it is all, I'll show you. Maybe if you browse, we are reaching almost 9 o'clock. Okay, lot of activities are there. You can see beyond C generator, all these, no? So it's all for higher classes. That's why I didn't show you. Maybe science teachers, please patiently you work on with that and learn all these simulations and use it for as a digital lab. Yes, this is for science teachers. And okay, one more for math teachers. There is a Symbolog. Symbolog you can just teach for any question. You can get the answer. Maybe geometrical, maybe integral. So just click geometry and whatever you want, enter the data given, everything is there. Or you can just check the questions also. Graph, line graph. Suppose if it is going to be line graph calculator, the general equation is y is equal to mx plus b. If you change this as 3x plus 2, automatically you can get the line graph. And the coordinate points are also allotted. Can you see the coordinates here? Highlighted 0, 2. And this is -2, 3. All the coordinates are reflected on the screen. So that's how. And table values if you want. Okay. Ask the children to find out the table values. After that, show this and let them cross-check. And if they are getting a similar type of line, then the graph is correct. That's all. You don't want to draw it. It's very easy, quite easy for revision also. So like this type, even the same geometry you can do it. All calculators like integral calculator, see, so many integral calculation you can do with the formulas, everything is available. Already some are derived. E power x cos x. So step by step, we can see how it is done, one step at a time. Like you can teach all these. And for this particular e power x dx, what is the graph? How the graph should be drawn? Everything is there. Related, all those derivations of each and every integral formulas is available. And for algebra, quadratic equation, everything. So it's particularly mostly for maths completely. Circle area calculator, you can just give for the circle area, no? So if you give the radius, like the area will be calculated. Similarly for triangle, if you just click quadrilateral, you will get a quadrilateral here. After that, you can mention something, any theoretical proof. Prove that all angle, each and every angle of a square is 90 degrees. Like that, you can type here, you will get the proof here. Go. Type this and then click go, you will get the proof. In a similar way, you can work with Symbola. Is that fine? That's all. I think we have covered with all the tools.
Yeah.
Suno AI is there. One more, Suno AI for music creation. Already I showed you one library song, no? Tamil song, Nanba, something like that.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
that is created using Suno AI. I created a few days back.
Video and music, both can be generated.
No, ma'am, only music, only music.
Only music, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
In that, the best version can't be downloaded unless and until we go for premium. Otherwise, downloadable audio will also be given. Okay. But that won't be very good compared to the pro version audios.
Okay.
That is what. Suno AI. That it's all easy only, not much difficult task. Anybody can log in and you can continue with that. You have to give lyrics, copy the lyrics from website, any lyrics, any poem, rhymes, anything, and then just ask it to create like a music. It will give you song.
Okay.
If at all, and jazz, pop, classical, anything they can select. They'll get it. So that's what almost we have come to the end. Yes, so responsible AI use with ethics is more important. And when we are suggesting any sites to students for their self-paced activities and for their own search, so we need to be cautious about what we are giving to students. That is most important, their privacy and safety, because which ID they have to give, all the IDs they should not use for login purpose. So all these tips you have to give it to students, only then you should ask them to deal with all AI tools. Yes, and when you are downloading any videos, please use the downloaded videos and not directly from the YouTube channel, because in between any sort of content like obscene content also may be flashed at any time. So we need to be very cautious and vigilant in doing such things, like when it is a classroom presentation or a webinar presentation. Okay, so let's embrace AI for a transformative education. Hopefully, all will integrate all these AI tools in your classroom teaching from tomorrow onwards. I believe it. Damn sure you'll be doing. I know that. Yes. So now we have almost come to the end of this session. Yes, please read
I
this quote.
hope this session will be useful for all the educators, and the AI tools which Port LVC has told us in the last 2 days will be very helpful to all of us. Any questions, any doubts, please go ahead. We are ready for it. And as she told us, we have to use from tomorrow onwards all the AI tools.
See, even for a month, if I didn't use, sometimes I may forget. It's human tendency.
But obviously practice
Human
makes
tendency, of course, because we will be working on with our regular routine, what we do traditionally. So that practice also comes to us because it has influenced us a lot, right? All these days. So now complete transition to usage of AI tools and all, it cannot happen.
It will come with the practice only.
Yes.
As we practice, we will come to know that's but obvious.
Yes.
Any questions, any doubts till now?
Ma'am, will you provide the material or notes, whatever you
Yeah,
taught?
definitely. We'll be sending the PDF notes in the group, and the recording will be also shared in the group.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And if you people have any doubts at any time, please post in the group. We will answer that. Thank you, Port Selvi, for such a descriptive and informative sessions since yesterday. I hope we will use that AI tools in our coming time.
Yes.
Bhuvanaji, you want to say something? Anybody, any doubt, any questions, any suggestion, any feedback? We are open for it.
No, ma'am, this is a really wonderful session.
no
Definitely,
doubts,
what she told, that we need to practice more. Then
Yeah,
only we will
practice
be
makes
in
both man and woman perfect.
So once we have in it, definitely we'll put our doubts into that.
Yes,
in the group
definitely.
itself.
Group
Thank you
is
so
open
much,
for all the
ma'am.
doubts and
Such a
all the
wonderful
queries.
section.
Thank you
Thank
everyone
you,
for
thank
joining
you.
us. Thank you,
Thank
Port
you.
Selviji, for your time
Thank
and
you, Ji,
efforts.
for the opportunity which you have given.
Thank
Really.
you. Thank
Thanks
you,
for the
everyone.
So much.
informative
Thank you,
session,
everyone.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.